I just listed some really cute stamp sets, so I can't wait to share these with you. We have some from Avery L, Pink and Maine, The Greeting Farm. Also, I have a freebie offer for you. Okay, for our free offer, we have these very pretty Pink and Maine enamel dots. This one is called Dragonfly Dreams. So once your cart reaches $60, you'll get this item for free. It's while supplies last. Plus, there's free shipping on all orders over $60 that are in the US. I just listed these really cute Avery L stamps, and the images are just so cute. Look at these cute little bunnies. There's a cute little meadow scene that you can create, so that we got some little bugs and flowers. There's a little watering can, and then there's a coordinating die for that. And then we've got the carrot car. Isn't that adorable? So there's two little bunnies in there. Look at, there's a little ladybug on the wheel. There's a little carrot. We've got sentiments. Thanks a bunch. Hello, Easter. You're a 24 carrot friend, and happy Easter. And there's some clouds and a heart, a butterfly, little eggs. Just some extras to decorate your scene. And then that's the coordinating die. So that's a really handy die to have there. We've got a really cute bear. This is called Be a Keeper. And he is just stinking cute. He's got some little wings. It looks like he has a little bee outfit on. Then we've got the super cute sentiments. You're a keeper. You're the bee's knees. Thanks for being so sweet. Buzzing by to say hello. Oh, honey, and be awesome. Now, these two stamps go together. So we've got the Feels Like Home, and then there's the coordinating die, and then there's the Feels Like Home edition. So it's like a little add-on. Make these little living room home scenes. So they are mix and matchable. We've got that nice little armchair, have the little kitty hanging off the arm there, or the bear sitting there reading a book. There's a little squirrel playing on the floor. There's a cup of coffee, a little table. There's a picture, a nice rug, a stack of books, a plant, cute little mouse. Sitting here thinking of you, being with you feels like home, and you make me feel warm and cozy. So this one is super cute. Love that little dog with the book. He is adorable. So there's a little bunny with a book, a koala bear. I love this guy on his back reading a book. A lot of extra accessories. We've got your tops in my book. Have a novel day. Hear my favorite story, and no one stacks up to you. Just so cute. And then I have one more set. There's the die for this one. This one is called Rain or Shine. I think it's just so cute. Love the cute little animals with the umbrellas. There's ducks. Look at that cute frog. There's a little snail and a flower, some raindrops. There's two ducks. Feel better soon. Just a note to brighten your day. No matter the weather, we're in this together. There's a little splash that they could be splashing around in. Just really cute. So for the Greeting Farm, we have 3 new stamps, and then I did restock the Anya one called Miss Anya Amazing. So I thought she was super cute. She's got a cup of coffee, and look at those accessories. They are just so cute. Love that little armchair. So cute. And then we've got the new one, Thanks a Sloth. So we've got really cute images here, 3 of them, and a little heart. And then the sentiment, don't hurry, be happy. Thanks a Sloth, and love and hugs. This is a really pretty background type of stamp. Brings me smiles. You always bring me smiles. May your day be filled with joy. And then you get some extra stamps here that you can create like backgrounds with. Make your bouquet bigger. We have Princess B-Day Anya, and she is adorable. She's got a big crown on her head, a princess dress. Look at this princess cake. She's got macaroons with a little crown on top. Same with the little cupcake. Got Happy Birthday Princess and Queen for a Day. Now for Pink and May, we've got a brand new release. We've got the Happy Easter die, and then there's a shadow. So that's how it looks when you cut it out. This one I thought was really neat. These are the spring vertical greetings. So I thought that was really neat. I don't have any vertical sentiments in my stash, and I thought this would be really, really fun. So Happy Easter, spring greetings, wishing you well, so proud of you, congratulations, best of luck, hello, happy anniversary. So this would be nice for a little slimline card, a mini slimline card. And then we've got the spring sayings. So this one's really nice to have in your stash when you're making some spring cards. I love the fonts on all this. We've got Happy Easter, and then we got a vertical one. We've got Celebrate New Beginnings, Let Your Light Shine, It's your time to bloom, Sending sunshine and smiles, You are the spring in my step, Sunny spring greetings, Easter. Okay, so now to the image stamp sets. We've got spring snow globe scenes, and this is really cute because if you have a little snow globe, you can put these little images in there, or if you have like an arch die, those would fit nicely in there, or they can just go on a regular size card. We've got really cute little spring scenes and then some sentiments here at the top. And then there's a coordinating die. This one's called Easter Greetings. So you get this nice basket and all these little eggs that you can decorate it with. There's a small one that this cute little bear bunny could be holding. There's a chocolate bunny rabbit and a cute chick, and Easter greetings and happy Easter sentiments. And then there's a cute little border stamp. And then what's nice about the die that it will cut out the inside of the basket so you can fill it up with all your little Easter eggs. This one's called Hey Chickie. It's really, really cute. Look at these chicks in the umbrella. Super adorable. And then this one with the little boots on. And then we've got one here with some flowers. We've got the sentiments. Hey Chickie, spring greetings, showering you with love, and glad we're in this together. And the coordinating die will cut out the sentiments as well. And then Ladybug Garden. I think this one is so adorable. I just love the cute little ladybugs and then the florals, and I think it'd just be really pretty with like different colors and then a pop of red with the ladybugs. And then there's a lot of nice sentiments in here, just a little something for you, a little note from me to you. Hey, sweet lady. I like that one. Thank you. We should hang out soon. Enjoy your special day. Sorry to bug ya, but you've been on my mind lately. So here is the die for that. There is an embossing folder, which is really pretty. This one is called Daisies. And then from the last release, we have another embossing folder, which is really pretty. That's called Petals. And then their cover plate with the little hearts is really, really cute. And then these are the really cute ones that I have in the shop. These are the leprechauns. And then we've got these really cute images, like a we go together type of thing. So this is like one smart cookie and take the cake. So I thought those were super adorable. And then I did grab these from Spellbinders. I thought these silhouettes were really pretty. So you could stamp these in black and then do some really pretty like sunset inked backgrounds. And then there's a sentiment, let's walk together. And then this one has some really nice clouds and stars and some little birds that you could stamp in the background. And the sentiment, a walk in nature walks the soul back home. And then we've got You Are My Home. So I thought those were really nice. So I'm going to have the link to the shop down below so you could check out all these new goodies. Don't forget to check out the pre-order under the pre-order section that we have. That order will be going in on March 1st. So if you're interested in that pre-order, make sure you put your order in before then. On the 26th, we're going to do the big giveaway, so save the date. We're going to have 10 creators and 10 sponsors. We're going to do a big hop, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And also don't forget to join the challenge over on the blog. So it's a mood board challenge. You could just pick one thing from the mood board and create a card, link it up, and there will be a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. And we'll pick the winner on the 1st. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you real soon. Bye guys.